So the other thing that this one starts off with that we received, the Winter Twig Identification Guide, one thing that's nice is when there's some that have the thorns right away. It says, are there thorns or spines and catkins? Some things are really obvious. You know, thorns, spines, catkins, or flowers.
Are there four-petaled flowers?
Ding, 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 ding,
Yes.
ding, ding.
And there's only one that has it, and that's the witch hazel.
It was nice. I played a music show out there when I was younger.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah,
In the
exactly.
Hall, like in the
Exactly.
in schools or in the Johnson in the buildings downtown?
Chuck, I would say Chuck and Dan are sort of going to lead us along Moose Alley. Dan is the author of this nice guide that we have.
5 needles, W-H-I-T-E.
Oh, there you go. That's great. And what he means by 5 needles is pines and the tamarack, I don't know if that got passed around, are members of the, well, the pine, so let's call it the pine family. Every once in a while you find one with 4. 2 for red pine and 3 for pitch pine, 2 other species that occur in Maine.
Three needles
pitch pine the same as
pitch
jack pine?
T-A-R. Pitch tar.
Yeah, I almost went there.
Raise your hand if you know what this is. It's a lichen, but does anybody know what kind? This is lungwort.
Oh.
And lungwort generally is an indicator of clean air. If you look at these, they look like the inside of lungs. They're little packets, little grooves.
Like if you look even like when we just passed it.
Wow, that's great. Did you get to see them?
There is more beaked hazelnut than American hazelnut out here, so I would say there's a good chance. They're very difficult to distinguish, as is, by the way, the ironwood and the musclewood and birches, obviously. So there's quite a number of members of the birch family. They all have.
And will the red maple, when we see all those red maple clusters, are those
Those are also
also
ramets of a
one
single
individual.
genet. Yep, yep.
Snowflakes. Yes. I would love to study snowflakes.